Hello, my name is Alexander, and in this video we'll do a quick overview of our two case studies in a chosen segment of society, financial system. Financial system in a simple way can be seen as a system composed of the products and services to facilitate economic transactions. In this part of the video, we will touch on one type of financial services, electronic payment system, taking Bitcoin as our first case study. Bitcoin is a form of digital currency. Unlike conventional currencies, it's based on mathematics and cryptography. In more complicated manner, Bitcoin is decentralized peer-to-peer consensus-based payment network that is powered by its users with no central authority or middleman. Bitcoin wasn't the first digital currency, but the first one to solve the problems associated with decentralization by means of blockchain technology. These problems are problem of trust and problem which is known as double spend problem. The solution is pretty simple. Make the transaction history public. Each transaction propagates through the network, gets validated and registered in digital ledger on every computer in the network, which users can check before accepting payment to verify that the coins have not been previously spent. No need for a third party to witness every purchase, and it becomes nearly impossible to cheat anyone. This public digital ledger is made up of blocks and called blockchain. Blocks are created by special computers in the network called miners, who receive and verify every unconfirmed transaction and then begin assembling it into the block. First, a miner hashes every transaction in the memory pool using SHA-256. The hashes then are organized into pairs of two, concatenated together and hashed again until root hash is received. Root hash then is placed into the block's header along with the hash of the previous block and a random number called a nonce. After that, miner tries randomly to guess a nonce to get a hash of the block's header to be a number with a certain amount of leading zeros. If a guess is correct, the block gets created and propagated to all network participants. Since the hash of each block is included in the header of the next block, any alterations in the blocks or transactions will be immediately detected. Bitcoin, powered by blockchain, made possible such things as virtually free instant payments, resilience to counterfeit, zero fraud, independence from central banks, full anonymity, and transparency. On the other hand, relatively unregulated, secure, and anonymous, Bitcoin became a heart of illegal activities such as selling guns, drugs, and personal data, as well as tax evasion and money laundering.
Genetic algorithms are such heuristic they were invented by John Holland to solve optimization problems. They use the principle of natural selection to improve the performance of the trading strategy. The way a genetic algorithm works is represent the problem in terms of chromosomes or traits, create some fitness function to rank the value of each chromosome in the solving problem. Initialize a population of chromosomes with a certain initial starting seed number. Rank each chromosome and create children chromosomes by combining the characteristics of two parent chromosomes. Some ways of doing this are crossovers and mutations. Crossovers are maintaining the level of fitness of the children as the same as their parents. Mutations are implemented as randomness in some parts of the chromosomes by some mutation operators implemented. Rank the children chromosome and delete a chromosome ranked lower than the child. Terminate the process once a certain fitness criteria is reached.
Genetic algorithms are useful in trading because they are helpful in modeling nonlinear systems. They also perform well in systems with a large number of variables because a larger population increases the solution quality. But some disadvantages of the genetic model of algorithms are overfitting and the processing time taken, which can run into exponential time if not accounted for properly. Some users of genetic algorithms are hedge funds and high frequency trading platforms. Some places where genetic algorithm would be good to implement are where alternative solutions are too slow, situations where a similar problem has a good genetic solution, and instances where we would like a hybrid algorithm. Genetic algorithms are a form of algorithmic trading. In our society, for example, computers and trading floors trade hundreds of stocks each day faster than humans to earn money using algorithms. Algorithms simply trade faster than humans can, but this can put human traders at a disadvantage where they need to compete against computers.